Good. Here I am to give the question answers of this lessons. The eyes are not here, written by the Ruskin Bond. We have the glossary, comprehension questions. In that we have answer the following questions briefly. The second we have clue study. Read the following extracts following and answer the following. And last we have paragraph writing. Clear? Let me give you the glossary. Slap. Okay. The sound produced by the slipper when it hits the sole of his feet. Startled, surprised, formidable, powerful, causing fear, dangerous, bhayanakavada, causing fear. Okay. Register, recorded. Romantic fool, a stupid person who is highly emotional. Okay, becomes mad. Highly romantic fool. Window ledge. Window still, a narrow shelf below a window. Okay. Mind's eye, it means imagination. Venture, to say or to do something which involves risk. Venture. Adventure. Venture is the risk. Adventure, making a dangerous task, but this is the risky, no? Involves risk. Landscape, all the features of an area that can be seen when looking across it. That is called landscape. From far away you see the land, that is the landscape. Gallant is a brave. Thank goodness. Thank God goodness. An expression used in conversation to express relief. Thanks your goodness. Your good character, your good attitude, your good heart made me to get free, released from my tension or my problems. Tantalizing, making him desire her presence all the more. Okay. And chatting we have these problems, no? You just explain not fully things and you just wanted him to tell you certain things. Okay, in the serial happens. Tantalizing, they are tantalizing so that we always want to see the serial again and again. Crucial movement of that serial, they stop. And what happened? What happened? What happened? Next, what is that? What is that? What is that? That is called the tantalizing. Linger, stay for a while. Lingering, that is called, you are going round without the work, that is called lingering. You are there only, not going anywhere else. You are lingering, going round. Stay for a while there. Revere, daydream. Okay, daydream also called revere. Okay, now comes as a comprehension. Answer the following question briefly. The narrator guessed that the couple who saw the girl off at Rohanna were probably her parents because options are: they were middle-aged, they seemed very anxious, they accompanied the girl to the railway station, they gave detailed instruction about the cares she had to take. Answer is D. They gave detailed instructions about the care she had to take. Second question. Why did the narrator feel that he would never be able to discover something about the girl's looks? Answer. The narrator feel that he would never be able to discover something about the girl's looks because he was completely blind. Secondly, apart from the girl, there was no one else in the compartment who had seen her. Third question. The narrator was born completely blind. Say true or false. Answer is false. Fourth question. What did the narrator infer when the girl was startled by his voice? Answer. Being startled by his voice, when the girl exclaims and says that she did not know that there was anyone else there, the narrator inferred that she had not seen him and he must have been sitting in a dark corner. Fifth question. The girl told the narrator that her aunt was meeting her at the Saharanapura. She said this probably because options. A. She wanted to introduce her aunt to the narrator. B. She wanted to convey a message that he couldn't take advantage of her thinking that she was alone. Third, it was casual remark. Right answer is B. She wanted to convey a message that he could not take advantage of her thinking that she was alone. Question number 6. How could the narrator, being blind, describe Musurrey? Answer. The narrator could describe Musurrey even though he was blind because he was not born blind and had seen Musurrey before. Therefore, he could recall from memory whatever he had seen before. Question number 7. With what intention did the narrator remark that the girl had an interesting face? Answer. The narrator had been traveling alone and was feeling bored until he came to Rohana. Full stop. Therefore, just to keep her in good humor by flattering her and to engage her in conversation, the narrator remarked that she had an interesting face. Question number 8. Hiding his blindness was a dash for the narrator. Challenge, game, child's play. Right answer is hiding his blindness was a game for the narrator. 9th one. The new fellow traveler had made out that the girl was blind. Say true or false. Answer is true. 10th one. The story ends with a revelation. What is the revelation? Answer. The blind narrator had all along believed that he was speaking to a girl who had normal eyesight. Full stop. But his new fellow traveler tells him that the girl had beautiful eyes but was completely blind. 11th one. The narrator and the girl reveal something about themselves through their words and actions. The adjectives listed in the box describe the narrator and the girl. Put each word either under the narrator or the girl. Some qualities may be common to both. Words are clever, smart, humorous, suspicious, sentimental, curious, emotional, romantic, careful, intuitive, pretentious, confident, guilty, inquisitive. Now you write, making the page two parts. One side is the narrator, one side is the girl. The narrator and the girl. The narrator, clever, smart, humorous, curious, romantic, emotional, pretentious, confident, inquisitive, guilty. The part of the girl. Clever, smart, careful, suspicious, confident, intuitive. See you the close study on the next video. Close study and the paragraph will see you on the next video. See you soon.